To replace an AprilAire whole house air filter, turn off the power to the furnace. Pull back on the top of the filter housing cover, then lift it out. The back of the cover has the recommended filter replacement. Slide out the old filter. The new filter will have a plastic support on the top and bottom. The top plastic support has arrows to show the airflow. Point the arrow toward the inside of the furnace. The inside of the filter housing has a rail on the top and bottom that the plastic supports attach to. Slide the bottom plastic support onto the flange on the bottom rail, then slide the top plastic support onto the flange on the top rail. Push the filter fully into the filter housing. Check that the top and bottom are supported by the rails. The filter extends out of the frame to ensure a good seal when the cover is closed. Set the hooks on the bottom of the cover into the housing, then push the top in place. Then turn back on the furnace.